This code is actually very dangerous, and it's all because it's using enums. Let's figure out why and how we can actually solve this. I was recently writing a basic login system for my billion-dollar business and wondered what TypeScript magic was being done under the hood. Inspecting a little bit further, I found something weird. The objects created were not what I expected. You see, I expected TypeScript to create a simple object that looks something like this, where it assigns the value to my keys. But no, TypeScript decided to pull an Uno reverse card on me and also assign the values to their keys. This is the first super annoying thing about enums, which is they don't behave the way you'd expect. Not only that, but you also cannot pass in the values directly, which makes me wonder just why. After a bit of googling, I found that adding the const keyword could potentially solve this problem. At first, we consider it completely removed the object, which is kind of good because we no longer have the weird object assignment. However, we still cannot pass in the value directly into the function, and we still have to use the loglevel.debug in order for everything to work correctly. Const enums are also not recommended by the TypeScript docs. If the developers of the language actually discourage the use of something, I would just avoid it overall. The solution to this problem will instead to be use something called a pojo, a plain JavaScript object which is simply marked as const. This is widely used throughout libraries and is loved by the more experienced TypeScript developers because it offers all the great stuff that enums do, but without all the pitfalls. The const keyword here makes sure that our object cannot be changed at runtime, just like enums, and then we use a little bit of type magic to extract all the values from the object and assign them to the union. This means that we don't have to use the import statement in every single file, having to import all the log levels in order to pass them into our function. We can simply use the value of debug and just pass it into the function directly, but we still get all the type safety. This also follows the expected behavior by TypeScript that it only cares about the final value. Spread the word by hitting the like button and subscribing for a journey to become a TypeScript master.